This is a warm-up routine, pink lemonade. So just start marching it through with a little bit of attitude, right and left. Take a little bit wider. Two in, two out, in, wide, wide. Hold it wide. To each side. Take it wide. We're going to take a side step. Step, touch, step, touch. Two steps. Add some shoulder circles. Again. Side steps with arm across the body. And a kick back, so you're going to kick your bum. You can stay facing me for this one. Let's march it through. Slow with attitude. So lifting those knees nice and high. Take it wider. To each side. Try and get that neck a little higher now. This routine is to a track called 7th Floor Tango. So think of you're holding your skirt, your big skirt in your hand, ready to take it out to the side. Are we ready? Put it out to the side, take the head with it. Other side for 4. Change for 2. Other side. Singles. Take it to a V step, so forward, forward, bring it back. Other side. Let's take it up to speed, so double time. If you're not happy with that, then keep it small, keep it smaller or slower. You can take it to a slight horseshoe if you prefer. Okay, holding it here. Just lifting the heels. We go back to the top, taking that skirt out with you. So 4. Change for 4. Change for 4 again. Four on the other side. Twos. Singles. Box step. If you can take it to a horseshoe shape, then please do. If not, keep it with that standard V step or box step. This is Sunshine Samba. We're going to start just by lifting the heels. Samba on the right, right foot forward and back. And change. Right foot comes forward, to the side, behind. Knee left, other side, goes forward, side, behind. Knee left, knee left. And again from the top. Change sides. Forward with the right foot, forward, side, behind, knee left, other side, knee left, couple more knee lefts, arms come up, real deep breath in, from the top, right foot forward and back in a samba. Change. Forward with the right, side, behind, knee left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg comes forward, side, behind, knee left, knee left. With bicep curls, arms come down. So this is the Bubinga routine, cha-cha-cha. Back, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha back, cha-cha-cha. Going to change that to a cha-cha front, so we're rocking forward this time, slightly across the body. Cha-cha-cha. If you'd rather not do that cha-cha-cha in the middle, you can just rock and pause. Rock and pause. Let's take it to a New Yorker, so we're taking it big, turning to the side. Take it back to the cha-cha back. I'm going to do a turn on the end. Cha-cha-cha, step, step, cha-cha back. Cha-cha-cha, rock. Back. Let's take it to a cha-cha back, hold it here. Let's turn on the other end. Turn this end. Cha-cha back. If you're feeling a bit dizzy, just stay with the cha-cha back. Do Susie Q. And just jump it back. Susie Q forward. Rock. Just step it back. Next time I'm going to do a turn on the end, so if you don't want to, you can stay with the last move. I'm exaggerating the moves here, you can keep it smaller. Let's take it to cha-cha back. Add some arms now. Cha-cha front, so crossing across the body slightly. Let's make it big into the New Yorker. Back to cha-cha back with the arms. Back, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Well done. Next dance is Tango Mango. Slide and tap, slide and tap, once more each side. We're going to go into that box, forward on the right, right, side together, back, side together, slide. Left leg this time forward, side together, back. Keeping that box, slide. We've got a pause step, slide the right leg round and that leg circle 4, 3, 2. Let's go again, right leg forward on the box. Left leg. Walking on the toes, forward for 4, 4, 3, 2. Hold it here for 4, 3, 2. And back, 4, and again. Take it to a circle, circle. On the right, one on the left, and just one more on the right. Slide and click. Box. Left leg. Again, right leg. Left leg first. Leg circles. Our cool down track today is called Ether by Silent Partner. It's a YouTube track. So very gently we're going to move our bodies to cool down. So let's do some shoulder circles just to loosen through the shoulders. Let's take it to a small step to the side, so step and touch, but keep it really slow now. We're cooling the body down. Just want to get a little bit of mobility and flexibility through the body and a small amount of balance. Let's take it 2 steps with a wash the window arm. So imagine you've got a window pane in front of you and you're doing circles on that window. It's going to be a bit smeary. One more each way. Just lifting the heels as if you're combing your hair. Just take the arm up as high and as far back as you comfortably can. Think, if you can, of taking it up and down. I'm taking it behind my head. Taking the arm out to the side. And open out. Take the body, let the feet move with you. Now both arms, squeeze those shoulder blades together, keep the chest lifted as you stretch back. Feeling that stretch across your chest as you squeeze those shoulder blades together, bring them in and release. Let's take the right arm up by the side of the ear and reach up, and if you can over, but try and kick the arm back behind the ear if you can, and release it down, other side, up. Think of reaching up first and then over if you can. Both arms. want you to try and keep your pelvis as still as possible, so putting your hands on your hips. Try not to let the hips drop as you lift your leg. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. This time I want you to lift and hold. 2, 3, 4. 4 more if you can. If you need to put that toe down and just rest it on the floor, you can. 3, 4. Taking it down, other side. Trying to keep that pelvis as still, holding your tummy tight, lifting that up for 4, 3, 2. If you need to place that toe down on the floor, you can. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just going back to the first foot, just circle the ankle. And now the other side, just circle the ankle. Well done. See you next time.